I was born in upstate New York and spent about 8 years up there before moving down to Texas. So I got to Texas as soon as I could, as they like to say, and spent a lot of years here before going off to college in Oklahoma and then at law school at Baylor. In the midst of that, before I actually went to college, I took time off and ran a family restaurant, which taught me most of what I do in law. Actually, it taught me more, I think, sometimes than college did, because it taught me what it meant to serve, to talk to people, to communicate, and to maintain that level of excellence in everything that I do. And that translated really well into everything I did in college and law school and everything after that. I am married, and we're expecting our first child here soon. My wife's an incredible person. She's a teacher, has a service-oriented heart herself, so she's very active in the community and things of that nature, which is one of the reasons that I love her very much. So law entered my life actually through a negative experience where my family business went through a long list of litigation, and it was very difficult. It prompted something within me to say, okay, there are people out there that need protection. There are people out there that need somebody to speak up for them on their behalf. And I remember how that impacted my family, specifically my dad and what he went through. And so that was what prompted my interest there. And so people need help in that situation, and wanting to be that's why I started off in law. I was looking to move down into the Austin area and actually came down to interview with a completely different firm. And then I had one of my friends call me and say, hey, we're hiring at the Carlson law firm. Why don't you, on your way out of town, interview at this firm? And I came down, sat down with Craig and another attorney, and we started talking. And I shared my story, and I shared how important it was to care about people. And so I didn't take the other job opportunity that was down here, and I took the one at Carlson, and haven't looked back. It's been the perfect fit because we share commonality. We really do want to help people. We care about people. And we have lots of folks that we help through our legal services. But even beyond that, when I talk to my team, when I talk to my legal assistants and attorneys that I'm working with, we talk about the fact that we care about our clients, we care about our co-counsels, we care about our community. It's not just that we're going to focus on helping our clients, even though that is significant. We're also going to care about the communities that we're in, because that means a lot. We want to have a bigger impact on people's lives than simply the legal services that we provide, which are excellent. There's a few things that set us apart. One thing that I really like is that we're creative problem solvers. We are encouraged to try things that are a little bit hard to do, that other firms may be scared to do, which all stems from that idea of we want to care about people, and we do that by creating creative solutions, by having new ways to help folks. And we want to make sure that when people leave here, they know that we've tried everything we possibly could do. When people walk in the door, they're looking for legal services, they're looking for answers. It is your case. I'm here to advise you, to counsel you, to guide you, but it's your case. I'm not just here to take your case and run with it. I'm here to work with you. I want people that come into our firm to have that experience of, wow, not only was I helped, but I was informed, I was encouraged, I was given answers to questions that I had, because it takes away that edge, that fear of the system, of what's going on, of law, when they know what's happening, they know their options, and they feel empowered to make those decisions. And so I want my clients to leave with that capacity. So working together as a great team of incredible attorneys and staff to get resolution for clients is one of the best things about the Carlson Law Firm.